Hi, I'm Lucas.
Hi, I'm Matt.
Today we are making donut holes. The first thing we are going to do is put the dry ingredients into a bowl and mix them. You'll need 1 1/4 cup flour, 1/3 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon salt, which Matt's gonna get for me right now. That's good. Thank you. And then after you put them in here, you're gonna mix them together. And that makes a homogeneous solution.
Now we need to melt 2 tablespoons of butter as our wet ingredients. We are going to heat it until the butter is fully melted. Now the butter is fully melted. This is an endothermic reaction because heat was added to the butter and the melting point was reached.
Go.
Now we are going to put the wet ingredients into a bowl and mix them. You'll need 1 egg, which we already cracked. Half a cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix thoroughly, and this creates a homogeneous solution.
Go. Now we are going to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. We will mix these together by using a hand mixer. This is an acid-base neutralization process because the acid in the yolk and the base in the baking powder balances each other out.
This is what it looks like after we mixed it.
Now we are going to prepare the pan by filling it with vegetable oil, about 2 inches deep. Using a fry thermometer, we're going to heat the oil to about 375 degrees. Make sure you have an accurate thermometer. If you don't, then you will not know if the temperature is where it's supposed to be throughout the cooking process. By heating up the oil, an endothermic reaction occurs because the oil absorbs the heat being released from the stove. This also creates less surface tension. Now that the oil is ready, put about a spoonful of dough at a time in the oil and let it fry on each side for about 1 minute. Make sure not to overload the pan with donuts. If you overload it, it can lower the cooking temperature of the oil and create a greasy, heavy donut. Frying the dough is a physical change because while it does increase air bubbles to make the dough look puffy, nothing is actually changing chemically. Yeah, take it out. We roll the donut in cinnamon sugar for flavor and taste. Make sure to roll the donut right when it's fresh, or else the cinnamon sugar won't stick. We let the donut cool off afterwards, which is an exothermic reaction because the heat is being released into the surrounding area.